The third place that we recommend is Best Egg. Is Best EGG, Best Egg, okay? Now this place typically gives around up to $50,000 credit amounts, okay? And you wanna be around a 660 also. If you see a common theme here, you wanna be around 660 to 700 when it comes to applying for a personal loan. Now you might say, Jose, like, how am I gonna apply for a personal loan? My credit cards are maxed out and I'm not able to get approved for anything because even though I'm making the minimum payment every single month, I can't escape this credit card debt. Now, what you could do is you can get added as an authorized user and a family member. That'll help increase your credit score by adding more available credit. You can also ask the credit card company that you currently have right now, hey, listen, do I qualify for a credit limit increase? Now, just because your credit cards are maxed out does not mean that you're not able to get approved for a credit limit increase. You just never know if you don't ask. And remember, these three places, if you do apply with them, they will do a soft credit check to pre-approve you or pre-qualify you. And there are gonna be some other criteria that you need to get fully done with approving the loan, but this is a great resource. And if these three options are not good for you, you can always just Google, personal loans in my area, pre-qualification for personal loans. If you do belong to a credit union, you can start there. But there are some, you want to make sure you stay away from high interest. And I'm talking about 20 to 25% or more, because you're just going to put yourself in the same position you're right now, which is making the minimum payment and not being able to escape the debt that you're in. So now let's move on and talk about why this strategy works. This strategy works with getting approved for a personal loan to pay off credit card debt because, like I said, it's going to lower your credit utilization and it's going to pay off that credit card debt and increase your credit score.